In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Wix to Mailchimp. By the end, you will be able to link your Wix site with your Mailchimp account so your contacts can be synchronized correctly. This is a straightforward setup, but it is important to follow each part carefully so the integration works the way you expect. First, log into your Wix dashboard. Take a moment to make sure you are signed into the correct site, since Wix manages integrations per site. Once you are in the dashboard, look for the area where you can manage apps and installed features. This is where you will begin connecting Mailchimp to your website. Next, navigate to the Wix App Market. This is the place where Wix hosts different apps and tools you can add to your site. You might see a search bar or categories when you open the App Market. The goal here is to find the Mailchimp app so you can add it and then connect it to your Mailchimp account. Give it a few seconds to load, especially if your dashboard is busy or you are on a slower connection. Now search for Mailchimp and click Add to Site. When you type Mailchimp into the search, you should see an option specifically for connecting Wix with Mailchimp. Select the app and choose the Add to Site button. This tells Wix that you want the Mailchimp integration installed for your current site. Wait for Wix to move through the installation flow, because the next screen will prompt you to authorize the connection. After that, log into your Mailchimp account when prompted to authorize the connection. Wix will typically ask you to confirm that it can access your Mailchimp account so it can sync data. Follow the prompts on screen and make sure you complete the authorization step. This is the part that truly links the two platforms, so do not skip past it. If you have multiple Mailchimp accounts, confirm you are using the one that contains the lists you want to work with. Once the connection is authorized, you will configure your sync settings by selecting the contact lists and data to map. This step is about controlling what information will move between Wix and Mailchimp. You should see options to choose which Mailchimp audience or contact list to sync with. Then you may be asked to map fields such as the contact details coming from your Wix forms or sign-up methods. Take your time here because good mapping helps ensure that names, emails, and other fields land in the correct places in Mailchimp. After you finish selecting the contact lists and reviewing the data mapping, you are ready to finalize the setup. Click Sync Now to finalize the integration. This tells Wix to run the synchronization process immediately. Depending on your account and how many contacts or form fields are involved, this may take a moment. Keep an eye on any confirmation messages that appear to let you know the sync completed successfully. Finally, once the sync is done, you should be in a good place to rely on the integration going forward. At this point, Wix and Mailchimp are connected, and your chosen lists and mapped data should be handled according to your settings. If you notice anything not syncing as expected, returning to the sync configuration is usually the best place to review the list selection and field mapping choices. Ba covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.